Hello and welcome to Every Dad DIY. I'm Gavin. I'm making a video today. It's kind of an impromptu video, so I've been working on this thing for a while now. I'm trying to make a laser that can engrave, but I'm trying to make it with just a standard laser pointer. I've been taking these circuit boards out of things for a while now, and I've found one that has a really high current output, and so it's able to increase the current going to this just a standard laser. So at the moment it's not plugged in, it runs off a standard main supply. I've got a thing on the end here, so at the moment you can see it's just a standard laser. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to plug it in, and I'm going to be extremely careful because I'll be honest, I'm a little bit afraid of it. So that's the mains plugged in. Just going to plug this in at the end as well. Okay, so now I've got a couple of buttons here on the bottom, so I'm going to turn it on. I better get a scrap piece of wood. Where is it? A scrap piece of wood. So I'm going to wear this welding mask because I can actually see it through a welding mask. That's how powerful this thing is. It's unreal. So I'm taking my safety precautions. Now, I'm going to do it there now, but I'm not sure if it's going to show up on the camera or not. It might just swamp out the light, but you'll see. I'm going to press it there now. So it's burning the wood there now. Oh my god, I can't believe the power of this thing. It's just unreal. Now I'm just going to turn it off there now.